Welcome back to another video. In this week's video we're in Hafod estate in Wales, and it is a huge estate with at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 routes, and I believe we're doing the green route today. We're doing the gorge walk. It's 1 mile, moderate. It seems like there's a few viewpoints and things to do. There's tunnels, there's cascades, gardens and a lot. I'm just going to explore. Without me touching it, so yeah, not a bad shot. What I should do is always take the picture first, then talk about it, because things change, and typical, the lighting's come through now, look, which makes a difference. Now going to leave the rest of the walk without a camera or a video. I'm just going to appreciate it and enjoy it. I've tried to take photos, but I really struggled today just to seem to be creative, and sometimes perfection is sometimes too perfect. I think the idea of imperfection, trying to get the perfect things out of it, is much better. So I'm just going to leave it for what it is, take the beauty, just leave it today. I didn't feel creative at all. Instead of forcing it, you might as well just leave it as it is. So yeah, we'll leave it here. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Bye for now.